All right, so it's Friday the 13th, and it is the end of the week. So here we are, USDJPY. And as you can see, guys, even since last week, the video that I made, we have some bearish action happening on this. So last week, we are basically right in this region here. These two candles hadn't formed yet, and it was looking like it was trying to invoke buyers to get into the market in order to take liquidity in order to sell the position. So even like I was saying last week, we could have come down to reach this 27 level. Right now we're at 27.84, so basically 28. But I still do think this is going to be a level of interest. Obviously, we don't have a whole lot further to go on this right now, so it might be smarter next week to just wait and see what happens at this region. We'll have to see what happens though. Either way, on the smaller time frame, this is a super active week. There's just a lot going on. So from last week, having this dump into this 131.50 zone, we created this region of consolidation, and it looked for a little while like price was inching its way up. But ultimately, at the top of this range here, right around this 132.70, we set this level back on January 9th, looks like. And then, boom, one tap, two tap, three tap, and reversal. So resistance held right there. And then ultimately we came back down to this region, retested it, came back up, took liquidity, and then dumped all the way through this region. All right, and this is the same pattern right here. So as soon as we got down to this level, like price started coming back up into this zone to try to take more and more orders. Whenever you see stuff like that happening, where the price is going to reel back and it's going to go down, it's going to reel back and it's going to go down, that just says there's a lot of volume in the move. As you can see right here, we took one, two, three ranges on the 15-minute chart. And I mean, as you can see, this was significant on the 3 hour. This was almost a full range that we took just this week. So, like I said, super significant move this week. But know that price is always going to it's always going to return to levels in which significant events have happened. And if you can understand price's behavior at said specific levels, then you're going to be able to understand where volume is flowing in the market. So with that, as I said, I still think 127 is not out of the picture. But the thing is, we're going to have to retest this range. And I mean, that's very possible. But if we come back into this range and start doing other stuff, this could be the floor to set up for a little bit of a retracement. I'm not going to call bullish on this just yet. Because if we break this level, yeah, we're going to enter into a further bear trend. But if price doesn't break this zone and it actually comes back up into this region and then maybe travels off upward further, that's possible. I'm not entirely sure. We don't try to predict the price. We just react to what the market's going to do and make decisions based on probabilities. So with that, like I said, it was a very exciting week. I hope you all have been profiting, been understanding what you're looking at. And with that, I wish you all a happy weekend, happy start to your next week. And we're going to have to see what happens with this. Anyways, happy trading, y'all. Peace.